Okay, guys, there are a few things most of us don't know about trend trading, and we will be checking out some of these things right here in this video. These are a few things we will be checking, okay? How the trend trading strategy works, and of course, we will be checking the best way to go into the market. And if you miss the best place, where else can you enter the market, okay? These are some of the things that we will be checking out so that you don't miss out on any of your trading activities. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family, okay? And of course, guys, if you have any question at all, drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via my WhatsApp. Okay, I will be going straight into what we have right here. First of all, this is 15 minutes time frame, and of course, we should notice that right from this support zone, this actually went on uptrend till it got to the resistance zone, and that is why we are having this yellow color showing. Okay, the yellow color is from my custom made indicator. It is just a way to let me know that the market is on uptrend at that particular point. Okay, and of course, we also have a downtrend happening right from this resistance region down here. Okay, that is why we are having more of the red colors showing around here. Okay, and this is just to let me know that the market is on downtrend, and it is done by my custom made indicator. I believe that is clear. Okay, so I believe we all understand the trend trading strategy. The trend trading strategy simply means when it is on uptrend, we should trade the trend. That is, we should only buy alone. And when it is on downtrend, we should trade the trend, which means we should only sell alone at that particular point. Okay. Now, people have been making the mistake that, okay, if it is on downtrend, then it should will I mean it's going to be selling alone without having a buying opportunity. And some people also believe that if it is on uptrend, then it will only buy and it will not sell at all. Okay, if you are thinking in that direction, you are wrong. It is even possible for you to go into the market and you will be in red for a while before going into profit. Probably you went in when the market is pulling back. Now let's check out a few stuff right from here. So this actually went on downtrend, and when it got to this support region, it had this pullback. You can see it right from here. It had this pullback. Okay. So after the pullback, it went back down again and it got to this region. And right from here, it had another pullback. Okay. We can all see this. Okay. Right from there, it went down again and got to this region and had another pullback. Okay. So all these are pullbacks. And of course, we also have it around there. When it was buying, it bought till it got to this region and had this pullback. And of course, went up again to break out above that and got to this and had another pullback, another here, just the way you are seeing it, and it has gone up till it got to this resistance zone. Okay, so which means whichever the trend the market is in, it will definitely have some pullbacks. Some pullbacks can be minor, while some can be major pullbacks. Okay, for instance, there is a small pullback around here. It is a minor pullback. Okay, so this is very, very important so that we will understand all these. Okay, so if you miss the trend right from the beginning, for instance, let's say we didn't come in around here when it started selling, when it gave us the downtrend signal, where is the best place for us to go into the market again? Okay, this is the best place for you to go into the market again when you are the pullback. Okay, somewhere here you can easily place your order. When the pullback happen, you place your order here again. You can see it went down and went below this to give us more profit. You can, if you should notice, at the pullbacks we are having more sell order being pointed out. I mean, we are being given more sell orders at the pullbacks. This means you can still go in at that particular point for you to sell more. The same thing is applicable to this. When there was a pullback around there, we got more buy order and of course another one another around there, and another one around there. So that gives you an opportunity for you to go into the market again. Okay, so because a market or a particular chart or asset is on a particular trend does not mean there won't be pullback in between. Okay, there will always be pullback, and the pullback can be seen as an opportunity for you to go into the market and milk the market again. Okay, so this is very, very important. And how do you trade the trend? Now let's check that out also. For instance, if you want to trade a downtrend, it is advisable for you to come at the resistance zone. Okay, in this situation, because I'm using a custom made indicator, this has actually got into the resistance zone at this point, and I was waiting to see if it would break out above it or change the trend. It didn't break out above it, so it gave me a downtrend signal somewhere here, and I decided to follow the trend. And the only signal that supports the trend at this point is a sell signal. So I went in with the sell signal, and of course I'm going to sell to the very end of the trend since it didn't get back to my stop loss. The same thing is applicable to a buy order. First of all, it has gotten to a down, I mean, an a support zone. Rather, it has gotten to a support zone, and it has not been able to break out from there. So the next thing I should look out for is a change in the direction of the trend. So I just need to wait for my indicator to give me the uptrend signal, and it gave me around there. And of course, the only thing I need to do is to follow the signal that supports the uptrend, which is the buy signal. You can see the blue arrow. It is telling me that there should be a buy signal at that point. So I just need to place my order at that point, and of course use my support zone as my stop loss in case the market misbehave, just the way I did at the top right here when I wanted to sell. So this time around I'm going to buy because the situation is favoring a buy market. Okay, so it's favoring the buyers in the market. Okay, so right from there you can see it bought. Sometimes it can pull back. You can see it's pulled back, and of course even went below my entry point. This will have put me in red at this point, but it didn't get to the stop loss. Okay, and it went back up again and still pull back, gave me more opportunity to come in at this point, which means it is a strong buy. And of course it bought and broke out from here and even gave me more profit at the end of the day. So this is how you can analyze the market and use it to milk the market successfully on a chart like this. Okay, so what I want you guys to do, if you have an indicator like this, for those that are having this 3M trend milker indicator, you can set it up on your demo account and do your analysis. Practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. And if you are able to get it right, if you have been able to make some reasonable profit on your demo account, then it means that you are ready to go into your real account. So you can now use the same indicator on your real account to analyze the real account market and make some good profit for yourself at that particular point. Like you guys have known, I will always advise you to practice very well whatever strategy you are getting. Practice it very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. This is very, very important. I will be stopping right here. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section and I will be there to reply you. If you want to know more about this trading tool, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. Okay, my WhatsApp details will be there in the description box. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.